Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, everything is in the green, but when you talk about Dogecoin specifically, it's just trying to consolidate over the support of 20 cents, making sure we do not break below that. If we talk about the trading volume, it has had a little bit of a pullback, but it's still well above the $2 billion mark. Now there has been some speculations going around that Elon is the largest holder of Dogecoin. At the same time, experts reveal what to expect from Dogecoin in the next 12 months, and the US authorities just relocated 2 billion Bitcoin. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button while there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, to decide to buy into it, the social engagement goes up, more whale activity, the price goes up, and we all make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, I want to tell you guys about the trading volume. As you can see, it is down about 12% today, so it dropped from about 2.5 billion to 2.1 today, but it is still the 8th most traded crypto in the world, which is a very big achievement. If you guys do not know, if you just go around looking at some specific things, you can see that Dogecoin becomes the second largest traded on Korea's top exchange after Bitcoin. Now this should give you perspective what I mean, because right now Doge is actually setting some really big numbers around the whole world, not just talking about the US or any specific country. Even though it is the 8th largest token, it is still being traded as the second most, and you can see that the market shows that the Dogecoin has had a trading volume of really high of 7%. And keep in mind, these markets just recently got Dogecoin listed on it, so this is actually a very positive impact on it. Now this is a really important thing. One of the biggest piece of misinformation spread during the last bull market, with disquieting push by folks like Binance, genuine YouTubers, was a single whale was holding on to 30% of the supply. Everybody who had been around in crypto for a few months could recognize that the exchange cold wallet, yet media outlet, exchange CEOs and other genius kept repeating the obvious lie. Now you just need to pay attention that there is no wallet that is holding on to 30% of Dogecoin's supply. I mean, what a large wallet point to is not one imaginary billionaire, but too many keep holding their coins on exchanges and brokerage services. So pretty much all the exchanges are holding on to everyone's token, and to accumulate all of them together, it comes to 30%. So that's really important for you to realize. On the other end, what to expect from Dogecoin. Now you guys can see these are very good predictions in my opinion, but if you actually go to Dogecoin, it's still expected to be at $1 in about 12 months, and I know a lot of you guys will be very happy to hear that. Now I have mentioned that, and I'm going to repeat it one more time. If a lot of people believe something is going to happen and they all stick to the same narrative, that thing is meant to happen. What I'm trying to say is, if everyone believes that Dogecoin is going to be hitting $1, everyone's going to be waiting until it hits $1. They're going to be holding on to their token, therefore the price will make it, certainly. Now talking about the US authorities, $2 billion worth of Bitcoin was taken away, or just relocated. Now this should give you perspective how much influence now the companies and at the same time big authorities are also trying to have on Bitcoin. I mean, if we just look at the Bitcoin price, you can see it's at 71,000. There is a lot of chance that we will be breaking the all-time high very soon, especially by the end of April, when the Bitcoin halving event is only about 10 days away. I know a lot of you guys are really excited to see what sort of impact it will have, but just keep in mind it will most likely have some sort of negative impact on the day. So there will be a little bit of sell-off, but later on the price will be getting very explosive. Now if we talk about Dogecoin specifically, as I mentioned, it's really simple. All you simply have to do is just make sure that we do not fall below the 20-cent support. If we fall below the 20-cent support, the next support is going to be close to 18 cents, and I know a lot of you guys don't want to see the 18 barrier again, but if we just keep climbing and stay over the 20-cent zone, then 25 cents is not as far as many people think so, because 25 cents is here, but you guys can see that jump would actually give you about a 25% return, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys will be very happy to take. If we talk about the open interest, it is still in the positive. Today it is up about 4%. And then if we talk about the long to short, let's just say you guys will be very happy if you are a bull that it has increased a little bit. From 69 we have gone to the 70% zone for the long pro holders, and the shorts are decreasing a little bit. Now talking about the whales, you guys can see that today this whale decided to take a huge chunk of money out of Doge, and they decided to take profit around the 20-cent barrier. This is the second largest holder of Dogecoin, and you can see that just today they decided to sell about 25 to $30 million worth of Dogecoin. So that should give you perspective how many whales are making the market move. Now you can see that this whale sold about $200 million worth of Dogecoin just on the 5th of April. Then they decided to buy back while the price just took a little bit of a pullback, and today that was another $50 million worth of sale. Now Doge is consolidating around the 20-cent support. 30 cents is a lot closer than all of you guys think. Now dear Dogecoin newbies, just make sure you are very genuinely ready for what is about to come. Now keep in mind, I did mention that 420 is going to be a big day. Why do I mention that? Because 420, the community has come together to announce that Dogecoin Day is gonna be 420, but you need to understand that this is just speculations. This is not any official date, but if a lot of people believe, as I mentioned, if a lot of people believe a lie, the lie becomes a little bit of a truth. Now on the other end, can Dogecoin reach $1 inside the numbers? I mean, if you do realize that for Dogecoin to hit $1, the market cap would have to hit about 144 billion. If it hits that, it will be the third largest token after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Is that possible? Honestly, I don't think it's very far-fetched. Dogecoin price prediction. Doge pumps 5% as analysts say that Dogecoin upgrade might be the best crypto to buy right now. I mean, just keep in mind, there's a lot of things which are driving the Dogecoin market right now. There is a lot of events that are about to happen. At the same time, there's a lot of people who are paying very close attention to, and especially the big whales that are paying really close attention to the Dogecoin market. If it goes into the positive impact, well, you guys know that Doge will be climbing very quickly. Now Dogecoin rockets up, bulls take charge as the price surges 17%. Just keep in mind, if we are able to just consolidate above the 20-cent mark while the whole market is just trying to find a decision to make, trust me, when Dogecoin goes up to the 30 cents, it will be overnight and you would have not expected it. Now, can Dogecoin surpass Ripple? And the answer is actually yes, very easily. We just need to make sure that we just keep pushing, and Ripple is not very far, only $5 billion away. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.